Today, I'm going to mention about the differences between lift and weight. For lift, to overcome the weight force, aircraft must generate an opposing force called lift. Lift is an upward force that holds an aircraft in the air. It is measured in Newton. Weight is a downward force which opposes lift that is always directed towards the center of the Earth, which is caused by the center of gravity. If the lift force is larger than the weight force, the weight gets lifted, hence the aircraft ascends. If lift is equal to weight, the weight neither gets lifted up nor pulled down, hence the aircraft maintains at the same height. If weight is larger than lift, the aircraft has less force to overcome weight, hence the aircraft descends. Now we come to the conclusion part of lift and weight. For example, when I pull a rope from a pulley, the pulley force must be larger than the lift, or else the rope will retract back to its own position. Therefore, lift and weight has no relation with thrust and drag.